Welcome to Arya's world. Today we're going to open this magical slime. Open it. Wow. Wait. 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 Did somebody say it's so heavy? It's too much. Too much. Too much. Too squishy. Squish. Squish.